Welcome to Serenity Mastery. In today's video, we'll explore 10 transformative strategies to help you shift from a state of stress to one of serenity. In our fast-paced lives, stress often becomes an unwelcome companion. But what if you could learn how to manage it, transform it, and even use it to your advantage? Today, we'll uncover powerful strategies to calm the mind, bring clarity to your thoughts, and guide you toward a more peaceful and empowered life. So, take a deep breath, settle in, and let's embark on this journey together. Strategy 1. Practice deep breathing. The first strategy is simple yet incredibly effective: deep breathing. When we are stressed, our breathing becomes shallow, sending signals to our brain that we are in danger. Deep, intentional breathing has the opposite effect. It activates the body's relaxation response, helping to calm both the mind and body. Try this: inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this a few times, and notice how your body begins to relax, your heart rate slows, and your mind clears. Make deep breathing a regular practice, especially during moments of tension. Strategy 2. Reframe your thoughts. Stress often stems from how we perceive situations. When faced with a challenge, our minds may jump to the worst-case scenario. Instead of thinking, "I can't handle this," try shifting to, "This is a challenge, but I have the skills and resilience to get through it." Reframing your thoughts doesn't mean ignoring difficulties. It means choosing a perspective that empowers you rather than drains you. With practice, you'll find that reframing becomes second nature, and you'll approach challenges with a calmer, more constructive mindset. Strategy 3. Ground yourself in the present moment. Stress often arises from dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Mindfulness brings you back to the present, where true peace resides. When you notice your mind racing, take a moment to pause. Observe your surroundings. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Listen to the sounds around you. Notice your breath. These simple actions can help anchor you in the present moment and break the cycle of anxious thoughts. Strategy 4. Establish healthy boundaries. Many of us experience stress because we take on too much or allow others to impose on our time and energy. Remember, saying no is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of self-respect. Assess your commitments and recognize where you may need to set limits. Prioritize what truly matters to you and communicate those boundaries clearly to others. When you honor your boundaries, you create space for serenity in your life. Strategy 5. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude has a profound impact on our mental state. When we focus on what we are thankful for, we shift our attention away from stress and negativity. Start a daily gratitude practice by writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day. These could be simple things: a warm cup of tea, a supportive friend, or a moment of quiet. Over time, you'll notice that this practice helps to rewire your brain to focus on positivity, reducing stress, and increasing your overall sense of well-being. Strategy 6. Engage in physical activity. Movement is a natural stress reliever. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. You don't have to engage in intense workouts. Find an activity that you enjoy, whether it's walking, yoga, dancing, or swimming. Regular movement not only improves your physical health, but also clears your mind, reduces tension, and promotes a sense of calm. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity a day to keep both your body and mind balanced. Strategy 7. Practice self-compassion. When we are stressed, it's easy to become self-critical. Instead, treat yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a friend. Acknowledge your efforts, forgive your mistakes, and recognize that you're doing the best you can in the circumstances. Speak to yourself in a gentle and encouraging manner. Remember, self-compassion is not about self-pity, it's about acknowledging your humanity and responding with empathy. Strategy 8. Develop a mindfulness routine. Mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing, or even mindful walking can help you stay centered throughout the day. You don't need to spend hours meditating. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Consistency is key. Over time, you'll find that a mindfulness routine helps you navigate life's challenges with greater ease and serenity. Strategy 9. Connect with nature. Nature has a grounding effect on the human spirit. It reminds us of the beauty and simplicity of life. Spend time outdoors, even if it's just a few minutes in a park, by the ocean, or in your garden. Listen to the rustle of leaves, feel the breeze on your skin, and breathe in the fresh air. Nature has a way of calming our minds and helping us find our inner peace. Make it a habit to connect with nature regularly. It's a powerful antidote to stress. Our final strategy, Strategy 10, create a personal serenity ritual. This is a dedicated time each day for activities that bring you peace and joy. It could be a morning meditation, an evening walk, journaling, or simply enjoying a cup of tea in silence. Your serenity ritual is unique to you. The key is to make it intentional, a moment to step away from the noise of the world and reconnect with yourself. This daily practice will serve as a foundation for cultivating a calm and resilient mindset. Conclusion and affirmations. As we conclude, remember that serenity is not a destination, it's a journey. Each of these strategies is a tool that you can use to navigate the ups and downs of life with grace and strength. Start small, be patient with yourself, and know that every step you take toward a calmer mind is a step toward a more empowered life. Take a moment now to affirm this: I am in control of my mind. I choose peace over worry. I am capable, resilient, and serene. Repeat this affirmation whenever you feel stress creeping in, and watch as your mindset begins to transform. Thank you for joining us today. If you found these strategies helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Serenity Mastery for more content on cultivating inner peace and unlocking your potential. Until next time, remember to breathe deeply, stay present, and always choose serenity.